Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm Brian with the Donna Tucci Branch Library, and today is Tutorial Thursday.
Tutorial Thursdays.
So this week for Tutorial Thursday, I wanted to show you something that I found on the freelibrary.org website. Now, I found this a couple years ago, and I really like it. It's something called Universal Class. And what it is they teach you a bunch of different stuff. They're actually classes. They're continuing education classes. They're not like college credits, but they're continuing education. So I think they can still be useful, like with employment. It can still be stuff that you can put on your resume. So, or if you just want to learn just for the heck of it, it's really cool. So I'm gonna take you to the screen here. If you go to the Free Library website, you can see freelibrary.org. Okay. And go to Programs and Services, and you want to click right here D for Databases. Click on Databases, and now you want to go to U and click on Universal Class. I know sometimes this website's like a maze trying to find stuff, but we work with what we can get. It's free, I already technically have an account, but I'm going to make a new account just to show you. I'm going to use a different address. So you just click register now and type in your name and then your email address. And then create a password. Then you have to click. Now you have to be over 13, so if you're under 13, sorry, I don't think it will work. I mean, you can click the no, I'm under 13, but it's probably going to tell you no. I don't really know, I actually never clicked it. Okay. And now it might ask you at some point for your library card number and your PIN number, so if it does, just type that in. I might have already had it saved in here because, like I said, I have an account already. But you can see you can there's lots of things. You come up here to where it says Course Catalog, okay, and you can search something in. Like okay, I love animals, right? So I'm just gonna type animals. Now, some of this stuff's not anything to do with animals, but how to draw it. It might teach you how to draw an animal in the class or something. So that might be it. But you can see there's geography, cryptozoology, which is like mythical creatures and stuff, ecology, wildlife rehabilitation. But you can also come down here and browse through the areas of study you see. Okay, let's see. I don't know, just real estate. Okay, let's say you want to be a real estate person. Okay. Teach you about how to become a landlord, I guess, interior design, housekeeping. Now, these are just the popular courses up here. If you scroll down, it's going to show you all the courses in this, okay? Business writing, estate planning, interior design. Some of this stuff might not have to do with exactly what you're wanting to learn, but it falls under the same category, okay? Let me just show you something else. Let's see. When I first found this, I wanted to learn how to write a screenplay. So I wrote screenwriting, right? Now you can see the first couple ones are not what I'm looking for, but this one right here, Screenwriting 101. And when you click on one of these courses, it's going to show you the course description, exactly what it is, what it's all about, okay? It's also going to show you up here, there's 17 lessons, 31 exams, and it's going to take you on average 12 hours. Now, you don't have to do that all in one 12-hour shot. You can break it up. Like there's 17 lessons. You can do, a half hour a day if you wanted to or whatever, It's totally up to you. It's your own pace. This is like a self-paced course, all these courses. So you go as slow or as fast as you want. And as you scroll down, it's going to show you all the different lessons, exactly how it works, and it's really cool. Like it's actually, this stuff's not hard. They teach it. It's very easy, But when you're ready and you decide that you want to do this, I believe you scroll all the way down. Where's it at? Gotta find it. Oh, okay, right here. I'm sorry. It's up top. So when you're ready and you decide you want to do this, you hit join this course. Alright, you get some kind of notification. Oh, send verification email. There we go. Okay, so here's my email. Alright. And I can just click here to confirm. And it'll bring me right back to the website. Okay, and then hit continue. And then you can join this class. Now you probably won't have to do that for every single class, but I'm actually not sure about that, so don't quote me, okay? But yeah, and then you hit enter course. And you're on lesson 1, and you just view the lesson. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to read everything, you know. And then, as you're done the reading, go to the next lesson, poll and surveys, and then the next lesson, and then the introduction. There's exams. These are actually exams and assignments that you have to do. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you can use this for, like I said, like, you know, to advance your career or your job, or if you just want to learn stuff for your own interests. You know, there's lots of classes on here that you can learn from. So I highly suggest that you take advantage of this, especially if you're, you know, isolating at home from COVID or whatever. You know, like, you know, we're not really supposed to be going out anywhere, you know, unless you have to. So if you're sitting at home like you're supposed to, might as well take advantage of the time and learn something, you know, learn something from it. So especially if it's free, right? So I don't know. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back tomorrow for Fun Friday. So be sure to stay tuned, okay? And I'll see you all then. Have a good day. Bye.